In Guimaras. We are going to pluck some vegetables in my father's vegetable garden. I'm with my mother. And it's my husband. That house? Ano ba na ngayon, ma? Joseph? Hindi. Oh, that's Jinkies. Yeah. Yeah. That my God's mother's daughter's house. Oh, yeah. Well, I have a speaker, the small speaker in our luggage. I can.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the little one that I always play in the house. I have it there. I didn't put it in the box.
I was listening to music last night. Nobody's into music anymore.
The big JBL I have, I put it in the box. That small one, I put it in the luggage. Oh, this is bamboo and the mangoes. That's apog. Sino na bakwet ma? Yeah, apog ne? May na doon eh? Oh, this is apog's yuca. See? Yeah. No, yuca. That. Stick. The one I always cook when I buy the Asian market. That's expensive. I'm gonna pluck some of that one day. That's apog's buffaloes. We got some mangoes here. Huh?
What good are they?
They're eating. What?
That's all they do is eat.
They eat, and then during it's farming time, then they.
Oh, okay. They got a purpose.
Yeah, they got the purpose of it. Plus, the second purpose of that is you can sell it. You take care of it. Once they grow big, you can sell it, and then you earn. You can profit, huh?
I think it's a big animal.
Yeah, it's a buffalo. One of that's cost like 40,000, almost $1,000. One only. So you better buy it when it's like 20,000, and then take care for how many years, and it grows. The amount will be like double. Is this kaya pag may ma? No, bakit yung animal naman na? Oh, yuca. La pa niya unod na? Yuca tree. My brother planted this. See? How was the feeling?
Mama's faster than me.
Exactly. This is what they do here. No, my balde now. Okay. We're approaching to my father's garden. Dad, you gotta be careful. There's a thorn here. You see this? What is owl? It seems like a bilas giti. Can you hold my phone for me?
Barbed wire.
Barbed wire. Can you do that?
No.
Careful. Sabat ili mo. Beans, long beans oh. Alam mo? Basun na eh. Get that tool on top. That tool on top. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, right there. That's not the way how you do it. Got it here. Long beans. See, remember when I planted this at the house? You don't know now? Yeah, because this is old now. Long beans. Yan. That's other kinds of beans also. Palayuhon na lang ng iba ng layo na niyo. Ang mautan. Look at this oh. Sayang malamaki na. Ha? Di laya na niyo nugo no. Yeah, pwede yan yung duwa niya.
Damo na mo po. Yung na mo po dito kaya ko lang.
Magpapagay kabot din. Magpuli na mo yun. This is my father. This is my father's garden thing. Okra. Gurang. Mm. Okra. Ah, gurang. Good lemon. Gaming pa man eh. Yeah. Mula di okra, wala na. Kaya ba? Hold me now. Na iba naman ka Diyos inautal kagming na. Good. Okra. Aray ko. Balatong. Malaya ano. Ang mula na nga side.
Oo, paturo.
Ah, lapad pa sa punta. Dad, we can plant some potatoes here. Yeah, taters. I wanna try to plant some potatoes.
I'm down with that.
I'm gonna buy some potato and then I'm gonna let it grow first. Then I'm gonna plant it here.
Does everything grow like all year round here or what?
Yeah, you can plant. If there's no water, then you bring water. Udalan mo. Yeah, see?
Hey, ask your daddy
Hmm?
how that storm was a couple months ago. The hurricane, the typhoon.
There's a typhoon before, may bagyo nagligad bla, November yung bagyo to. Mangkot sa kung ano na damage sa lugar gani. Ikaw mangkot ka kung ano na damage ang bagyo sa nagligad dire. Dire bilog ng baras eh. Anong damage dire pag sa aton? Ah, just the rice field because flood, you know, the water from the mountain.
Have a lot of wind.
Is it mahangin? Windy, so still windy, but there's nothing broken, whatever.
The beach, okay.
Yeah. The beach was like wavy and that's it. It didn't grow big or something. It's just a little wave. The wave is a little big, but it's not really.
I climbed that mountain before. Last time.
Did you know? It's right there only. That's not even a mountain.
Your grandma lived over here.
Yeah. Asa ka lang mamang bukid na yun.
It's a mountain to me.
See that transformer?
Uh-huh.
A little lower than that. That's our house before. So if we go buy just 5 pesos worth of candy, oh, they go up all the way there. Ah. Wala. Sakbilog. That's where I lived when I was little. This is the mountain. So all these mountains that you can see, all of that, I'm gonna tell you guys, that's not mine. Itchy, huh? You better, that's why I wear pants. Then balay ni Chay, ni Chay Wilna.
Whose land's this?
Then balay Wilna de. Yeah, I suppose. He cleaned it. He sprayed some weed
It's
either.
all his land?
It's not really his land though. It's just like he's taking care of it. Yeah, this is what it is.
What kind of tree is that?
This one?
Yeah.
It's like a dohat. It's fruit tree. In May, you get lots of fruits for that. Diri na yan, Balayan Bertuana sa una pa na? Balayan Bertuana sa una?
Hindi, ano din ako.
Radi sa boss. Naging balikan, nagiyaning lutang na yan. Ne.
Ano pa na yung kwan na? Kung ano ka na, rin eh.
Namin yung tanda.
Yung ay wasan sana.
Pat lang ba siya?
Ay kabalong tahan pero yung contested di mo.
Hmm.
Namuha lagi mo siya.
Hmm.
Bantod kira una niya, mabantian niya, bantod ko.
Hmm. Ano ka Diyos ng ubos na laya na na. Yung tandog hindi. I planted this kind of vegetable before this.
Panay, ay kira bagyo.
This. And then when it start to like giving me beans, it's winter, so it froze. Wala man yung bunga kalabasa. This is my father's little water yan plant. This is the well. My father dig it to water his plants. See? Matubay man niya kung ulan.
Nakita ko may tubran la.
Tubig ulan lang le. Kalabasa naman mo, may bunga kalabasa laman. Ano man yung isak bilog, may baknahot ng kalabasa eh. There you go. There's got some squash. Eh, kwaon na eh. Ah, ariyo. Ito isa blue. Ariyo. Squash is squash. Dads. You gonna eat this? Yeah, you got no choice. I already flocked it. Hey, B. Don't like the bacon? What was the taste? No. Of course, different country, different taste. You'll get used to it. Hindi tambok daw muti na. Nagyan mara-mara. Nagyan daw muti tani. Oh, subak sa isda. Oh.
Eh, masang kanta.
William to galimpyo.
Dulagat na.